হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, কেমন আছেন সবাই? আজ আমি আপনাদের সঙ্গে আমার একটা ক্লায়েন্টের সঙ্গে ভিডিও কনভারসেশনটা শেয়ার করব, যেন আপনারা যারা ফ্রিল্যান্সিং এর নতুন এবং যারা চিন্তা করেন লাইক একটা ক্লায়েন্টের সঙ্গে ভিডিও কনভারসেশনটা কেমন হয় বা আমরা অনেক সময় ভয় পাই, সো আশা করি এই ভিডিওটা দেখলে আপনাদের সেই চিন্তাটা দূর হয়ে যাবে এবং আপনারাও কিছু কনফিডেন্স পাবেন ক্লায়েন্টের সঙ্গে ডিলিংয়ের। সো চলুন আর দেরি না করে দেখে নিই।
So, thank you for doing this. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's okay. And I think it is very easy for us to communicate, to understanding about the project perfectly.
Yeah, it was much easier for me to share my screen and just talk to you through it rather than typing it. It's way harder to understand.
Yeah.
I sent you a lot of stuff, so I was like, I probably should just do a Zoom. So thank you for doing that. I hope I didn't give you too much information. I'm just going to share my screen with you and then just kind of show you what I was thinking. I've done a lot of the work. I've done some work with other people, and I looked at your stuff and I really liked your professional designs.
Thank you.
And I just wanted someone with a good eye like you to just kind of like almost refresh what we do and maybe just do the finishing part. We've done a lot of the other work, and then just kind of pull it in together to have a nice little draft for us or a template. So that's kind of the plan.
Okay.
Oh, I shared the wrong screen. Hold on.
No problem.
So can you see?
Yeah.
So I don't know how much you looked at like this website. Did you see this that I sent?
Yeah. I have seen it.
This is going to be a newsletter that goes out every month.
Okay.
And this is something you haven't seen yet because you've been working on this, but it was like we're using these digital images, and this is what I've come up with myself. It was very similar to, like, I don't know, but do you want me to get the square version of it too?
Yeah. If then I think I need to create the circles, then I can make it.
I just want you to know, like, I picked these colors, like, you can kind of.
Do you only want to use these cartoon characters?
Have you ever been to the U.S.?
I know.
No?
But I wish.
Sometime. How old are you?
31.
Okay, I'm 38. Sorry if that was.
No problem.
You seem very mature for your age.
Yeah, I have a baby also.
Oh yeah? How old?
She's 6 months right now.
Oh, cool. That's congratulations. That's
Thank
awesome.
you.
Amazing.
So, yeah, I'm also a mother.
Wow. How do you do the sleeping during the day then?
Actually, my baby don't sleep at night. She actually sleep with me at that time, and this is very easy for me.
Cool. Okay. So do you work at home?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's my home setup. You can see. Also,
I
my
like it.
husband and we both work as a team. It's his desk, and if you want, I can show you my desk also. Like, so it's our small home office.
Very nice setup.
Thank you.
And I like your chair too. You have a good chair.
Yeah, we have to work a long time, and that's why I prefer this chair.
Yeah.
It's easy.
You don't want to have back problems when you have a baby too.
Yeah, I have some, but I used to.
Okay. Yeah, that's why you had to get a nice chair.
Yeah.
Less than New York time,
Okay.
so it's actually 11 o'clock right now a.m.
Okay.
But I'm from New York. So
Great.
I
Do
moved
you
out
have
from
any
Mom-
kids?
No kids.
Okay.
I just work too much.
Okay.
But I have my little nieces and nephews. These are my nieces and nephews.
Wow. They're cute.
They're my little babies. They're not my babies, but they're my. I love being an uncle more than being a dad. Yeah, I have to get my business going.
Okay.
But I am very grateful for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're a perfect person that I like to work with. So.
Oh. Thank you.
Yes. So I'm excited, and like I said, I really appreciate you doing this for me. I will send you the stuff later on, and then if you have any questions or any thoughts, just feel free to go from there.
Sure.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye
Have a good
bye.
night.
Yeah, have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.